AI to tell our story, but is that what we want future leaders to learn? We could have done that, but that's not the message we want to share with the next generation of leaders. In a world shaped by dynamic tensions, leadership is about balance. Between technology and humanity, between intelligence, human and artificial. AI is transforming how we think, learn, and lead. But it should never replace our judgment, our ethics, or our sense of purpose. True leaders use technology to amplify intelligence, not to outsource it. Using AI without intention can lead to noise, excess, and even waste. But when guided by purpose, AI unlocks potential, freeing time, energy, and creativity for what truly matters. That's the kind of leadership we're shaping. That's why we've redesigned our MBA, a program where technology empowers learning and human values define leadership. AI-powered learning, human-centered purpose, rigor forged with companies, a global vision, the Italian touch, personalized paths in a brand new format for a world that demands flexibility. Because tomorrow's leaders will thrive not by choosing between AI and humanity, but by mastering both. That's what we call the human edge in the AI era.